Hi everyone, good morning. My name is Immaculate Chidalo. I'm a mom of two. In this vlog, I'll be sharing my daily life as a mom, parenting moments, family fun, and real life experiences. If you enjoy mom life, family vlogs, and honest moments, this channel is for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll keep you updated. Let's go, guys. Daddy? Daddy, oh. Say good morning, mommy. Good. Let's go to the kitchen. Daddy? No. It's okay, okay? I know you're hungry. I know you're hungry, oh. Daddy? Daddy, oh. I know you are hungry, oh. I hope you finish this one. I'm giving you water first. Look at my body. Eat. Come on, clean your mouth. Wash your nose. Nah, there you go.